Welcome to this video on the present perfect progressive. In this video, you will learn how to use the present perfect progressive verb tense. The present perfect progressive talks about how long an activity has been in progress before now. Time expressions with since and for are frequently used with this verb tense. Here are some examples. I have been reading this book for 2 hours. We have been waiting at this bus stop for over an hour. They have been arguing about the issue since yesterday. Allison has been playing the guitar since she was a teenager. Let's look at the structure of the present perfect progressive. To make an affirmative statement, use have or has plus been plus ing. She has been playing the guitar since she was a teenager. To make a negative statement, use have has plus not plus been plus ing. She has not been playing the guitar since she was a teenager. To ask a question, invert the subject and have has. Has she been playing the guitar since she was a teenager? The best way to understand the present perfect progressive is to compare it to the present progressive. The present progressive describes an activity that is in progress right now. For example, Allison is playing the guitar right now. The present perfect progressive expresses the duration of an activity that began in the past and is still in progress. For example, Allison has been playing the guitar for 2 hours. Allison has been playing the guitar for 10 years. Allison has been playing the guitar since 9 o'clock this morning. Allison has been playing the guitar since she was 15 years old. Now let's practice. Use the present progressive or the present perfect progressive to complete the sentences. Remember that the present progressive describes an activity that is in progress right now, whereas the present perfect progressive expresses the duration of an activity that began in the past and is still in progress. Number 1. Tanya is looking out the window right now. She has been looking out the window since 8 o'clock this morning. Number 2. Mike is standing at the bus shelter. He is waiting for the bus. He has been waiting for the bus for about 5 minutes. Number 3. Sarah and her mother are talking on the phone right now. They have been talking for over an hour. Number 4. Right now, you are watching this video. You have been watching this video for a couple of minutes. Number 5. I'm busy right now. I am working on my science project. How long have you been working on it? I started planning it last month, and I have been working on it since then. In this video, you learned how to use the present perfect progressive. We saw that whereas the present progressive describes an activity that is in progress right now, the present perfect progressive expresses the duration of an activity that began in the past and is still in progress.